It's missing the foam inserts, it's missing the wiring looms, it's missing the receivers. That's okay. Why it's okay in this case for me? Because this is the gentleman's service number. So the R number is when you're for other ranks. If you became an officer, you got a J number. So you can start off as in other ranks anyway. So it's R67561, it would appear. So that's kind of nice because you get it that way. It's all good. No other markings on it, unfortunately, but that's okay. It's a Type B helmet. That's on the website. Then you get in gas rattle. So you find a lot more, well, you don't find a lot, but you find First War gas rattles. You find Second War too. The only reason I bought this, okay, fine, you know, it's nothing tremendous, but then you see that it's marked ARP, Air Raid Protection, 1939. So this is so annoying that it will get your attention. And you know what? I'm going to do it anyways. That's annoying. And I didn't bring the dog today for that reason, because he'd probably lose his mind. But that gets your attention if you're going with that really loud and fast. That is on the website.